Although the blood moon peaked last night, you still have time to harness its energy. The lunar energy is still potent for 3 days before the peak and 3 days after. I apologize as I had some recording issues to say the least, or this would have been out sooner. But I'm going to release that along with everything else, so it's the perfect time. The red glow carries the energy of release and rebirth. It's the perfect time to let go of fear and step into faith. I'll guide you through a quick ritual you can do right now. All you need is yourself and a small dish of water. After the peak of the lunar energy, it continues to ripple for about 2 weeks until the next new moon. This is your window for embodiment, taking action, moving your body, speaking differently, making choices that align with the faith and freedom you claimed during the ritual. The ritual is planting the seed. The next 2 weeks are tending the soil and letting the seed grow. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seat. Even if you can't see the blood moon, I encourage you to do your best to at least get outside. Take a deep breath in and slowly release. Feel that full red glow. Sense it fully, that deep red light. It's fire, it's water, it's rebirth. Now bring one hand to your heart and one hand to your belly. Close your eyes. Imagine a lantern glowing inside your chest. This flame is your soul, steady, alive, eternal. Inhale. The flame grows brighter, burning red like the power of the moon. Feel that light spreading through your chest. Exhale. Release the doubts, the heaviness, the old fears. See them leaving as smoke, dissolving into the night. Let's move the flame through your body. With every breath, the light expands. Inhale. The flame rises to your throat. It clears your voice, your truth. Exhale. Release the fear of being heard. Inhale. The flame glows in your third eye, between your brows. Gently release the doubts clouding your vision. As you take a slow breath in, the flame reaches your crown, opening you to guidance. Gently exhale. Release the fear of not being supported. Now breathe the flame downward. Breathe it in. Feel the warmth as the fire spreads into your solar plexus, filling you with strength. Slowly release. Let go of the fear of not being enough. Another slow breath in. The flame warms your sacral center, your creativity, your joy. Gently let it go. Release the fear of being too much. As you take a soft breath in, the flame anchors deep in your root, grounding you to the earth. As you release, exhale. Release the fear of not being safe, of not belonging. Now your whole body glows with a red gold light, like the blood moon herself. Every inhale strengthens the flame. Every exhale clears the shadows. Now whisper softly, "This flame is me. It cannot be extinguished. I release what is not mine. I choose faith. I choose freedom." Slowly open your eyes. Place both hands on the small bowl of water next to you. Let the water hold what you've been carrying so you can release it and return it back to the earth. Speak all your fears out loud. Every doubt, every weight you're ready to set down. Hold nothing back. Let it all flow free. This is your chance to start anew. Pause this video if you need more time. Here are a few of my own, just to get you started. I release all doubt. I release the need to be perfect. I release the need to give myself permission. I release the need to ask for approval. I release any and everything that is not aligned with my truth. When you've spoken your last bit of doubt, keep one hand on the dish of water and one hand on your heart and look at the moon. Visualize a radiant red beam filling every cell of your body with the strength of this blood moon and say, "Please forgive me for holding on to all of this. I'm sorry for not letting it go sooner. Thank you for your strength. I love you. I am choosing a higher path now. I return this energy to the earth." Now gently pour the water into the soil, returning it back to the Mother Earth. Let it nourish her. Thank you, it is done. Now is the time to set an intention. Choose a new reality. Claim a new path. From this moment on, I no longer question my worth. I am no longer bound by fear. I am guided by faith. I am held. I am safe. I am free. My light grows stronger every day, and my path is divinely guided each and every step of the way. I am loved. Take one last inhale. Feel the lantern flame blazing in every chakra. Exhale. Release it all back to the earth. It is done. For more support on your journey, click subscribe. I'll also leave a link to my free healing guide below. Keep shining, wishing you love and light from my soul to your soul.